Hello everybody. I thought I would do a little short video. Leo's had his bottle and this is his outfit for the night. And he is fast asleep. He drank quite a bit of milk tonight. And so that's Leo. And this is my new little boy that I made. I haven't given, well, he's the Ben Kit, and I think I'm going to name him Benjamin. And this is his outfit of the night. And he's also fast asleep. I love his blonde hair. He's a cutie. And I'm still working on my room. And this is Zasha. Try to get out of the light there. And her little outfit, but she doesn't have pajamas on. She has just a cute little outfit here with monsters on it. And she is just so sound asleep. And she looks so babyish. And her hair there. Yeah, she's a sweetheart. And then we have Leilani. She is fast asleep. She also had her bottle for tonight. And she has her little teddy bear she's sleeping with. And this is what she's wearing tonight. So all the kids are sound asleep, which is very nice. So I just thought I would say hello to everybody, because I haven't made a video in quite some time. I'm still working on my Noah kit. I know the kid, who the kid is now. And so she is fast asleep. I'm still working on her hair. And she's not quite all put together. She kind of popped her head on there. But I love her little body. I think what I'm going to do for her is I'm going to get her another body, because I'm not real pleased with the way the legs go on this body. But she does have very pretty little legs. And cute little toes. I can't seem to get it to focus, but there's her hand there and her nails. So I think she's a beautiful, beautiful kit. And I'm working on her. Her details are just wonderful. So I'm really loving this kit. And plus she's a cutie. Well, she's a cutie for right now. I'm not sure if she's going to be a boy or a girl. If you would like, I'll let you guys vote. And you can let me know if she looks like a girl or a boy. But that is like the cutest face. Alright, good night everybody. Thank you for watching my video. And I'll talk to you guys later. Good night.